What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So whoa, this thing playing out without me. That's the first thing. Today is the 1st of December. The new month already kicked off, and the first daily candle looks like this. So this is the first daily candle, and this is 2 days, but the daily candle looks like this for the first month. So we opened right here and we just shut off immediately, and we are back at the highs that we started last couple of weeks in. So last week's high is pretty close to being run. I think we're going to manipulate down before we get a push to the upside. Let us see. Let's get right into today's video. So immediately going into the 4 hour. Well, yesterday we traded down here. We had a nice little market maker buy model, and then today we manipulated a bit to the downside, formed this little bit of a wick, and we just shut off to the upside. Clear buy move, clean one-sided price action that I'm seeing there on the higher time frame. And the 1 hour opened right here, traded up, came back down into this 1 hour order block before we ran to the upside. So we closed pretty much at the high of the day. Let's get into what took place over the day. See if I can reload this template. This is the entry template. Alright, so waiting for that to load up. So no more trades for me on this account since a day before yesterday. Going into the price action now. So we opened right here, immediately consolidated before we had a buy from this little zone, sending us higher. Took out this internal high before we came back down here, and this is the zone gave us this buy, which was the low of the day. So this manipulated and gave us the wick, and there were multiple entry opportunities inside of here to send us higher. So we had one entry there, another one there, another one there. Any one of these entries would have sent us higher. Beautiful entries, nice clean buys to send us to the upside, and this was a nice clean buy opportunity to send us to the higher the day. So any one of those entries would have been good. And even up here we had this late one, right here we had another one, nice little buy opportunity. The sold off, came back down into this order block, nice little buy opportunity again. Then we had the sell off from this zone, then we came back down into here, another entry opportunity there to end us up here at the high of the day. And that was it for volatility 51s. Multiple places to get in. As I say, mostly one-sided price action. We just had a little bit of a manipulation before we had the buy to send us higher, and that was clearly the trend for the day. So just like predicted on the higher time frame, I said I wanted to see price gave us a nice little pullback, so we retested the tip of this fair value gap, and that sent us higher. If I had a big account, I would chance a buy right now inside of here to see if we can get a continuation to the upside. But I don't know if this is enough manipulation, and this week I will going to come further down into here to see if we go higher. But let us see what we get going into tomorrow. That is pretty much it for today's video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.